Hello, welcome to AssemblyTube. Today I'm going to show you the values assemblies grid, which helps you find values-based assemblies and keep a record of what you've done. You can see on the screen the document. You can download this. You click on this and get a free download, and I'll put a link in the YouTube video below so that you can come to this page. I've already downloaded it, and this is what it looks like when you've got it on your computer. It's a Word document. Each of these blue words is a hyperlink, so you can see there are 37 values going down here in alphabetical order, and for each one there's a link there, search, story, etc. Let's have a look. The first one, click on that one and it takes me to the AssemblyTube database, and you can see I've got lots of ideas here, all based on appreciation. If I click on the search one here, it takes me to the search page of AssemblyTube, and if I click on search there, it will show me all of the content in AssemblyTube using that word. If I go back, because this is an advanced search, if I click on this one and choose which part of the database to search, let's say I just wanted a Key Stage 3 video with appreciation. If I click search now, it just finds me a Key Stage 3 example, and there's that particular one. Let's go back. Next you've got a story for each value. This one's called The Contented Fisherman, so there's a story about appreciation. You've got an image for each value, and you've got a quote. Okay, so you can explore those yourself. For some of the values you've also got a PowerPoint. If we look at this one here, this particular one is a PDF. If you actually want the real PowerPoint to play with, edit yourself, you need to be a club member and you can download the PowerPoint version, but you can see in the PDF all of the content so that you can get an idea what it's about. In this box here you can keep a record of what you've delivered, so let's put today I read the Contented Fisherman story to idea group. Now you can see it's disappeared there. So if I go down here and hover with my mouse and drag it down, you can see you've got a lot more room where you can put content. And I'm going to type in here that I did this with 7AB, and it was on the 26th of the 4th, 18. So now I've got quite a good record of what I've done, so that I don't repeat myself, which is what I tend to do. So thanks for listening. I hope you'd like to download your values assemblies grid and come back and find out what the next idea is in AssemblyTube. Goodbye.